How to rank your website without link building. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can rank your website without link building. So let's get into it. Now you can have any kind of website. Let's say you have a Wix website or any kind of website that you might be running. You have often heard link building or creating a portfolio for the backlinks of your website. And that is one of the most popular ways to get your website to be, verified, or for your website to be able to get recognized on these search engines and for your website to rank higher. Now, link building or backlinking is a very complicated process. Backlinking or link building basically means how many other websites or domain names that link back to you. So how many other websites are linking back to you. We have a couple of videos on domain rating, domain linking, what backlinking really is. So do check those out if you want to focus on that. However, there are certain other ways that you can rank your website. So let's say I have this website over here, and I'm going to use this as an example. So this is a skincare blog, and let's say I want to rank this website better. Now, what are some of the tips that I can use to rank this website better without having to build backlinks? Because it's not going to be easy for anyone to just build backlinks. And the first step to getting your website in a good ranking position is to go onto your website SEO. So you can open your website dashboard and browse the website SEO, which is one of the most important things. So you can see this is a Wix website. So I'm going to go into the Wix dashboard. And from here, I can click on marketing and SEO. And once I click on marketing and SEO, you can see over here that I can go on ahead and, use the SEO tool, optimize the SEO, make sure that I have, proper site maps, the overall URL redirection systems, all of that is in good shape, and I can just optimize those. And that is one of the first things that you should do whenever you are trying to improve the SEO and rank your website, is to create high value and SEO optimized content as well. So if I go into my Wix website over here and I take a look at the articles or the blogs that I'm writing, so know your brushes, what your skin is craving, day to night look, nourishing DIY hair masks. Now I need to make sure that the content that I'm writing or the content that I'm uploading, it doesn't have to be a blog. Let's say you are running an e-commerce store, then the listings that you are creating are SEO optimized. And that is very important, because if it is not SEO optimized, it is not going to rank well on its own as well. And combined with a low backlinking profile, your article or your listing can get lost. So one of the key things you can do is go on to Google Trends. So just head on over to Google Trends, and whenever you are writing an article or a blog post, just make sure to check the overall trend results. And you can also use a simple Chrome extension like Keywords Everywhere, and I will go into detail about this later, because this is a very useful tool that anyone can use to optimize their website. Now, the next tip I have is to publish your content regularly. So let's say I run a blog and I post once a day for an entire week, and then for the next 2 weeks I disappear. That is going to be irregular publishing. So if a person that is reading your blog post or getting interested in your blog post, and they're like, hey, this person writes every day, and all of a sudden you disappear for 2 weeks, then that is not going to be a reader that is going to come back after 2 weeks, because they were expecting content every day. And when you disappear and you're not posting on a regular schedule, then people are just not going to come back to visit. They don't know when you're going to be posting or when you're not going to be posting. So it's very effective to build a regular schedule listed out on your website as well. So it's going to help your users into better navigating on your website. Now, the next tip is to drive social media traffic. So social media traffic is super essential now, and it's one of the most effective ways that you can get more people to view your website. You can create Pinterest pins, you can create Facebook pages, you can market yourself on Facebook groups, you can use other different social media platforms like TikTok. You can create like a short video and promote your website using social media. I do have a bunch of videos on detail on how to promote yourself or your website on social media platforms specifically. And one of the major tips that I do have is to, even if you're not a website that has, video content, make sure you are promoting on TikTok, because a lot of people underestimate the power of the social media tools, and TikTok is one of those tools that has a very large audience and a highly interactive audience. So it's very essential that you are promoting on all channels possible. Now, next up, you also need to ask for customer reviews. If you don't have backlinks on your website, then make sure you create a form in your website or a simple place in your website where people can actually review product or leave a review or publish their comments. So if I'm writing a blog, then I want to make sure there's a comment section or even a rating section, just so people can better understand the rating or the value of your website or your blog post. This really helps in a lot of new customers or new people that are browsing your website into being like, oh, hey, this person is getting good reviews from other people as well. Maybe their blog is super nice. So on and so forth. You will be able to establish more of a reliable persona with newer viewers of your website. Now, next up is to create pillar posts and topic clusters. Now, if you're writing a blog, let's say I have this blog over here. If I click on blog, there is no subsectioning. Right here, there's no subsection, but you can see over here, I have my subsections like makeup, skincare, and hair. So in this way, whatever you are selling, whatever you are creating, whatever kind of website it is, make sure you have topic clusters and categorization of your information that is present on your website. So you want to make sure people are able to navigate to the information that they want. Let's say if someone is visiting me only to learn about hair, so they should just be able to click on hair directly so they can view the topic cluster. Of your choice. And if you're following these basic tips and optimizing your website for SEO with simple tools like Keyword Researcher, so this is a Chrome extension that I have, and this allows you to monitor the overall usefulness of a keyword. And once you do that, you can include those keywords into your website to better help the SEO of your website and get more traffic and rank your website better. And the best part about Keyword Researcher is that you can open up and search for anything. So if I just search for makeup on Google, and you can see over here on the right side of my screen, they will also give me related search results, long tail keywords, and the overall keyword ranking of each individual top search result. So this will better help me understand my competition. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.